Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, everybody. This is Mario with Hardcore Tech, here with another video, another case review for the Galaxy Z Fold 4. This case is actually from a brand called Humixx. I have never heard of them before. As far as my expectations from this case, it reminds me a lot of the Torras case, so I'm not sure if there's any adhesives. I didn't see any in the video or in the Amazon link. I did put a affiliate link in the description below if you want to check it out. Clicking those links will help support the channel. But I just wanted to see, what to expect. It's actually more affordable than the Torras. Torras right now only gives you two options. You either get a kickstand case or you get an S Pen case, not one that's just a regular case. This is that regular case. So let's check it out. Let's open it up. I'll also have something to say at the end about cases, but let's get into the action. Ooh, it's upside down. All right, presentation is very similar to Torras. My expectation is, like I said, it's going to be exactly like Torras. I'm expecting a slippery back, no kickstand, no nothing. So this is the Fold 4 in all its glory. You know, when you take the phone out with no case, you just really appreciate it. You know, sometimes that's why finding a case for this phone can be such a struggle, because the form factor is so great by itself, but you still want to protect it. Based on the measurements or the videos, you know, the lip and all that, this case seems a little slimmer. Let's take it. Let's just get right to it. Nice back, exactly like the other two. Exactly. Ooh, it's not as slippery. Like in the Torras, I don't know if I can demonstrate it properly, but in the Torras, it feels like you can just do this. Here, it's like, it has grip. That I really like. Are there any adhesives? Usually there's no adhesives on the back, so that's good. I haven't checked the front, so let's put the back on. Let's see how much thickness it adds. Not very much. Looks good on the back. Looks pretty well aligned. Holes are aligned. Or cutouts are aligned, I mean. Oh, let's check the front. I hope there's no adhesives. No adhesives. Nice. Wow. How it actually holds up on it. So I'll put this, I'll put this on as it is. Very slim. So in the S Pen case for the Torras, this part here was a little wiggly. This one is about the same, but that's just petty. It's not really a big deal. What about if I open? So if I open it, opens just fine, opens smooth. No issues there. How about the corners? If I pull on these, no. Nothing, doesn't feel like it's gonna come off. Doesn't feel loose, feels snug. I'm so impressed with this case. Okay, so that's really it for the case. I have no complaints at all. It has the lip, let's see. Lip is fine. Nothing wrong there. It's flush. It has, you know, it's going to be raised. You're going to have screen protection. I mean, rear protection, camera protection. If you've seen my first video, I do have a lens protector on there, so it does add a little bit of height to it. But yeah, wow, for the price, I think it's like $40. This complements the phone really well. Very happy with this case. It's gonna work. Let's bring out the wireless charger. Fast wireless charging, you can see it there. Fast wireless charging. So chargers. So I brought this up before. This was the case that I really wanted to like. I really wanted to enjoy, because it does both. It does everything. kickstand, and S Pen. Take it when you need it, depending on your use. Just have to be mindful, right? So you don't forget it. Problem was the front screen. So the adhesive bothered me. So what if you're trying to supplement that? You kind of want the best of both worlds. Can we use the front of this with the back of this? Let's see. The problem I had last time was it wasn't quite color matching. This one, I think we're going to be pleasantly surprised. I'm just gonna take this off, put this on. Let's see. This is actually, it's as you can kind of tell. It's so minimal. You can't tell the difference between the two, but the alignment isn't as obvious as, say, the Torras. So I like this combination a lot. If you don't want a front adhesive, but you want a kickstand, you can do that. Oop, you can do that. If you want this, and you want to use the S Pen, that's fine. I mean, this isn't an advertisement for the fold case, but for this case, but I'm just saying this is the best no adhesive approach, and I think it's like $40 for this case. I'm really happy with this case. I may actually keep it. I don't think I'm gonna return it. I have a couple more cases coming in to test out, but I don't know. This is like a huge contender to Torras. Am I worried about drop protection? Yeah. I mean, they say it has like these airbag things, you know, they all say that. They all say it's military. I don't know. Like I said, I don't know how much I buy into those claims, but I don't feel like I'm gonna drop it if I hold this. I really like this case. So it doesn't break the bank too much. It has enough protection, you know, it's sleek. So yeah, I don't know what else to say. This is like, if you were to pick between the Spigen and this one, I mean, it's up to you. Do you want hinge protection or not? I don't think you can go wrong with either. So how much bulk does it add? So this is the back of the Humixx case. This will be the front of the Spigen. So how is the bulk between the two? Not that much. It's not even noticeable. The front's not even noticeable, actually. What if we do the opposite? Look at, this is what I mean. You know, the cases are so, ever since they changed the phone around, they refined it a lot. Just making sure I don't have the wrong front piece in. Okay. You swap so many cases all the time, they all tend to blend the front pieces. Wow. It's about the same. I really don't notice much of it. You can just keep, if you don't want adhesive on the front like the Spigen, you can just keep this, but I don't think that's yeah, it's not designed for, I don't think it's, I don't know. I don't see why you would do that. That would be a waste of money. So anyways, yeah, I went in with very little expectations. I thought it was going to be a copy. It's actually not. It makes you appreciate the form factor of the phone. It has slim, it's drop protected, it has a lip, wireless charging works, no kickstand. If you have the Z Fold S Pen cover, you can just use that. It color matches just fine. It doesn't look distracting in any way. Yeah, if you're, you know, I'm at a loss for words. I'm impressed. So yeah, thank you everyone for stopping by, for checking it out. Definitely check out the link below for the price and the protection and no adhesive. You get a lot of bang for your buck, in my opinion. So yeah, now you see how that makes me feel. You know, you saw how I felt with the other Torras case, the kickstand case. Now you see how this made me feel. I think you're really going to enjoy whatever decision you make. So at the end of the day, what do you want out of your case, right? So if you want all-around protection, this is great. If you want just minimal, this is actually great for minimalism. You know, it doesn't look like it adds that much bulk compared to the front. You know, it gives you that drop protection, but it feels uniform to the phone. So yeah, I'm not worried at all if I drop this. Okay, so if you want to take a look, that's how much more thickness it adds. It's not that much. You compare it to something like this case here, it's not that much. You just want the front piece. You can just do that. It's not that noticeable. So yeah, there you go. Have at it. Thank you so much, everyone, for sticking around. Thank you so much for watching. That's my case review. Got one more case coming up, but that's gonna arrive in about 5 weeks. So it's gonna take a little while, okay? But in the meantime, enjoy. Hope you liked it. Leave a like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.